Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on an Epson WorkForce WF-2930. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the small control panel you can see here. To get started we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this with copy displayed. If you're not already here, just press the home button to be taken here. Now first of all we're going to move ourselves along to maintenance using the right hand arrow. Once you see maintenance on the screen, press OK. And again, we can use right to take ourselves along to head cleaning. Now doing these cleaning cycles pushes ink through the printer's print head to hopefully dislodge any dried or congealed ink that's causing you print quality problems. So I'd recommend using it sparingly, especially if these cleaning cycles don't immediately resolve the issue and you need to move up to power cleaning, which is a more effective clean, but does use up more ink from the inside of your ink cartridges. But we're going to stick with normal head cleaning for now. So we press OK to go into that, OK to proceed, and then the start button you can see here to get ourselves going. As you probably noticed, it was asking us to have a piece of paper installed in there. And this is because once your printer is done with the clean, it will print a nozzle check, which is like a test page, so we can see the results of the clean. Now this will take the printer a couple minutes, and when it's done, you'll be given the test page I mentioned, so you can check the results. Any gaps or missing colours, like you can see I've got here, will mean more cleans are needed, but you can just carry on doing cleans and more test pages until you're perfectly happy with the quality of your prints. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.